problem is one that you want to reference on the video on the moto, because you will probably be confused a little bit when you dig into the homework and you have this type of problem. So it's important that you pay attention. What I see here is that I have a prefix converting to another prefix. And there is a short step way that we can do this, but for practice purposes, for mole conversions later, we're going to do this in 2 steps. Okay? So first of all, I want to take this to the base, centimeters to meters. That's the first step. That's problem A. And then I'm going to take meters back to millimeters. That's going to be step B. So in order to take 0.101 centimeters to meters, what's my first step? Anybody? Write the what? Equivalent statement. What is my equivalent statement between, now look, we chopped this problem up. What is my equivalent statement going centimeters to meters?
100 centimeters equals 100 meters. 1 meter.
1 meter, that's right. Okay? Next step.
Conversion.
Okay? What goes on top? That or that?
1 meter.
1 meter. What goes on the bottom?
20 centimeters.
Okay? So now we're going to bring down our original number, 0.101 centimeters. Notice that what's here is also here. It's going to cancel. And so I'm going to get, divided by 100, 0.00101 meters. Remember, we're doing this for good practice for our mole conversions later. We're just going to recognize that this is a 2-step problem. All right, so B, that's not our answer. It told me to go in millimeters. So now I'm going to take 0.00101 meters to another prefix, millimeters. First step. So it's step B. Everybody follow me right here? Okay, right here in the back. First step.
Equivalent statement.
Okay, between meters and millimeters. Tell me what it is. Huh?
1 millimeter.
1? Come on, you got the right. Stop it.
1,000.
1,000 what?
Kilograms.
Right down with grams, though.
Oh. Gram.
Right down with grams, down with meters.
1,000 meters.
1,000 meters?
1 meter.
1,000 what?
I'm confused.
I know you are. You've evidently not heard me say that instead of grams here, we use meters. So though this says milligrams here, it could also be milliliters, millimeters. This is the relationship between milli and the base. So instead of the G, we're using M's. Okay, so now count it. Now read it for me. 1,000 what?
Millimeters.
Millimeters equals to 1 what?
Meter.
Meter. It's amazing how that the same things in year 15 that I'm teaching, the same exact things that students struggle with are the same things you guys struggle with. Every year, same thing. And that's one of them. For some reason, some students have a hard time grasping that the table that I put on the board, that it is universal for all base units, even though I just chose the gram. Okay, milli and base. So it can be millimeters, milliliters, milligrams, whatever, okay? All right, so then the next step, and then the second problem that occurs often in the 15 years that I'm teaching is this number somehow it just appears here in the conversion factor instead of just using the exact numbers, okay? All right, so right here in the Under Armour orange sweatshirt, okay? Tell me what I need to write here.
1,000 milliliters on the top.
Good.
1 millimeter.
Bring down our given. Notice what's here is also here. That's going to give me 1.01 millimeters. Coach Canis, there's a shorter way to do that by moving and flipping the decimal. I know that, okay? And I'm teaching you dimensional analysis for later in class. And what you notice here, reviewing, I've seen a prefix to prefix like number 5 in my homework. I knew then, prefix to prefix, Coach Canis wants me to make this a 2-step problem. So I'm going to take the given to the base unit first. That's what we did here, equivalent statement, conversion factor. We go to the base, which is meters. Second step, I'm going to convert that on to the other prefix, equivalent statement, conversion factor, calculate. Okay?